So if you're having problems on signing or connecting to Facebook using your Monopoly Go account, this is the right video for you. In today's tutorial, we are going to talk about on how you could go ahead and fix Monopoly Go not connecting to Facebook. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, the methods that we are going to do today is fairly simple. And the first thing is making sure that you have the right account logged in into the Monopoly Go. So just go ahead and open up the Monopoly Go application. Once inside, just go ahead and click on the three lines right here, and inside the system settings, you will go ahead and see a huge connect button on here. Now, you have to go ahead and click on that, and you have to make sure that you acknowledge that the Monopoly Go application is connecting to your Facebook account. If you decline that message, then Monopoly Go will not go ahead and connect with your Facebook account. Now, if the problem still persists after agreeing with the acknowledgement of the connection of the accounts, you have to go ahead and go back and open up your Play Store right here. And if you're using your iOS device, just go ahead and open up your App Store. Inside, you have to make sure that there are no currently pending updates. So just go ahead and click on Monopoly Go, and inside you could go ahead and see that there is a huge update button. You have to go ahead and make sure that you have the latest version of the Monopoly Go installed within your device in order to ensure that you are connected with the latest servers. So just wait a couple of minutes for this to install, then you should be able to connect within your Facebook account. And if still this doesn't work, we are going to try another method, and that is by updating our system software. To proceed, you want to go ahead and open up the settings right here, and you want to go ahead and find the software update section. Inside, you have to make sure that you have the latest operating system available because some application restricts when your software is outdated. So you have to make sure that you have the latest operating system installed within your device. After that, if your problem still persists, the only thing left to do now is to go ahead and completely uninstall Monopoly Go because you may have corrupted files that may affect your connection. So to do that, you want to go ahead and hold click on Monopoly Go and just go ahead and click on uninstall. And after that, just go ahead and open up your Play Store right here and just go ahead and install a fresh copy of Monopoly Go in order to ensure that there are no problems within the files of this application. And in that way, you will be able to fix Monopoly Go not connecting to your Facebook. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.